Hello and welcome. Today's topic is At the Doctor. This podcast is for English learners at A2 level. We use simple words and short sentences. Let's begin. It is Tuesday morning. Tom does not feel well. He feels tired. His head hurts. He also has a sore throat. Tom tries to go to work. But he feels worse. He thinks, I need to see a doctor. Tom calls the doctor's office. Hello, he says. I would like to make an appointment. The receptionist answers. Of course. What is the problem? Tom says, I feel sick. I have a headache and a sore throat. The receptionist says, Okay. We have a free time at 10 a.m. Is that good for you? Tom says, Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. He writes down the time. 10 a.m. Tom drinks some tea. He tries to rest. But he still feels bad. At 9:30, he leaves his house. He goes to the doctor's office. When he arrives, he sees a waiting room. There are some chairs. There are also magazines on a table. Tom goes to the front desk. Hello, I have an appointment, he says. The receptionist smiles. What is your name? She asks. Tom Brown, he says. She checks the computer. Yes, Mr. Brown. Please sit down and wait. Tom sits in the waiting room. He waits for his turn. After a short wait, a nurse comes out. Tom Brown, she says. Tom stands up. Yes, that's me. Please come with me, the nurse says. Tom follows her down a small corridor. They go into a room. The room is clean and quiet. There is a chair, a table, and some medical tools. Please sit here, the nurse says. Tom sits down. After a moment, the doctor comes in. Hello, Tom, the doctor says kindly. I'm Dr. Smith. Hello, Tom replies. The doctor asks, What is the problem today? Tom explains. I feel sick. I have a headache. My throat hurts. And I feel very tired. The doctor nods. How long have you felt like this? He asks. Tom thinks. About 3 days, he says. The doctor says. Okay. Do you have a fever? Tom answers. I don't know. The doctor takes a thermometer. Open your mouth, please, he says. Tom opens his mouth. The doctor checks his temperature. After a few seconds, the doctor says, Yes, you have a small fever. Tom looks worried. Is it serious? He asks. The doctor shakes his head. No, it is not serious, he says. It looks like a common cold. Tom feels a little better. The doctor continues. You need rest. Drink a lot of water. And stay at home for a few days. Tom asks. Do I need medicine? The doctor says. Yes. I will give you some medicine for your throat and headache. He writes something on a prescription paper. You will take this medicine twice a day, the doctor explains. Tom nods. Okay, I understand. The doctor smiles. You will feel better in a few days. Tom says. Thank you, doctor. The doctor replies. You're welcome. Get well soon. Tom stands up slowly. He feels calm now. Tom leaves the doctor's office. He feels tired, but also a bit relieved. Now he has a prescription for medicine. He walks to a pharmacy. It is near the doctor's office. The sign says, Pharmacy. Tom opens the door and goes inside. It is clean and quiet. There are many shelves with medicine. A pharmacist is standing behind the counter. Hello, the pharmacist says. Can I help you? Tom says. Yes, please. I have a prescription from the doctor. He gives the paper to the pharmacist. The pharmacist looks at it. Okay, she says. This is for your throat and fever. She goes to the shelves. She takes 2 small boxes of medicine. Then she comes back. This is your medicine, she says. Tom asks. How do I take it? The pharmacist explains. You take 1 tablet in the morning. And 1 tablet in the evening. After meals. Tom nods slowly. Okay, I understand. He asks another question. Can I take it with food? Yes, the pharmacist says. It is better after eating. Tom looks at the medicine. Are there any side effects? He asks. The pharmacist answers. Sometimes you may feel a little tired. But it is normal. Tom feels more confident now. Thank you, he says. The pharmacist smiles. You're welcome. Get well soon. Tom goes to the counter to pay. Can I pay by card? He asks. Yes, of course, she says. Tom pays and takes the medicine bag. He also gets a small instruction leaflet. He puts everything in his backpack. Outside, he takes a deep breath. I just need to rest now, he thinks. He starts walking home slowly. A few days later, Tom feels better. His headache is gone. His throat is not sore anymore. He has more energy. Tom thinks, I feel much better now. But he remembers what the doctor said. He should come back if needed. He decides to call the doctor's office. Hello, Tom says. I had an appointment a few days ago. The receptionist answers. Yes, I remember. How do you feel now? Tom says. I feel better, but I want to check if everything is okay. The receptionist says. You can come for a quick follow-up visit today. Is 3 p.m. okay? Tom answers. Yes, that's fine. Thank you. At 3 p.m., Tom goes back to the doctor. He sits in the waiting room again. But this time, he feels calm. Soon, the nurse calls him. Tom Brown? Tom goes inside. The doctor smiles. Hello, Tom. You look better. Tom smiles too. Yes, I feel much better. The doctor asks, "Do you still have a fever?" Tom says, "No, I don't." "Do you still have a sore throat?" the doctor asks. Tom answers, "No, it is gone." The doctor nods. Good. The medicine worked well. Tom feels happy. The doctor says, "You can stop taking the medicine now, but continue drinking water and resting." Tom asks, "Can I go back to work?" The doctor answers, "Yes, you can. But start slowly." Tom nods. "Okay, I will." The doctor smiles. "You are healthy again." Tom says, "Thank you very much, doctor." The doctor replies, "You're welcome. Take care." Tom leaves the room. He feels relieved and happy. Outside, the sun is shining. Tom thinks, "It is good to be healthy again." Tom is fully recovered now. He remembers his experience at the doctor. It was simple, helpful, and not scary. Let's review what happened step by step. First, Tom felt sick. He had a headache, a sore throat, a fever, tiredness. Then, he called the doctor's office. He made an appointment. At the doctor's office, he waited in the waiting room. He talked to the doctor. He got a checkup. He got a prescription. After that, he went to the pharmacy. He gave the prescription, got medicine, asked how to take it, paid for it. Then, at home, he rested, took medicine, drank water, stayed in bed. After a few days, he felt better. He went for a follow-up visit. The doctor said he was healthy again. Now, let's learn useful phrases you can use at the doctor. Useful phrases. Hello, I have an appointment. I feel sick. I have a headache. My throat hurts. How long have you felt like this? Do you have a fever? I don't feel well. Can I get medicine? How do I take this medicine? Can I go back to work? Thank you, doctor. Now you know how to talk to a doctor. Describe your symptoms. Get medicine. Follow instructions. Recover safely. Tom learned something important. Taking care of your health is very important. And it is okay to ask for help. Thank you for listening. See you in the next podcast.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.